Hi everyone, and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Today we have a massive set here for you. This is the Diana in Australia set, and I thought as an Australian I would have to show you this set from our collection. It is of course the Princess of Wales, the English Rose. Let's hop into the set here. It's from all of her travels around Australia. Just lovely. So you can see the box there is quite large because this is a 7-coin set. So all of these coins are Australian. It is of course 2022. You have a lovely booklet there that comes with the set, which is quite nice. And as it states there, it is a tribute to the Princess of Wales. Here on the back of this booklet, we have the certificate of authenticity. And there you can see it's a limited edition of 2,000 collections. But if you're here in Europe, there's only 500 sets available in Europe. So if you're into Princess Diana, if you're a fan and you'd like to mark the occasion of her trips to Australia and have something to remember them by, you might want to hop onto this pretty quickly because I'm sure they'll go fast. So as you can see here within the collector's booklet, there's some beautiful images here and it tells you a little bit more information about the trips that Princess Diana made to Australia. I think one of them was quite famous because it was actually her first time touring the world as a royal, and she had a nice sort of fond memory of Australia. Very shiny book here as well. So let's hop into the coins themselves. As I mentioned before, it is a 7-coin set. And all of these coins, of course, are dedicated to the Princess of Wales, Princess Diana. Now, these are 66,8 grams. So all of these coins are gold plated, and of course they have the colour on them illustrating one of Diana's trips to Australia. Very nice there. Now the colouring, you can see the colouring's been done very, very nicely. These are uncirculated coins, and of course that is a young Queen Elizabeth there. So you've got 66,8 grams of bronze and it's been gold plated. So I'll just go quickly, have a closer look at all of these coins. As I said before, the colouring is quite nice. And I do believe that all of these images that we're seeing here on the coins are also shown in that collector's booklet. Some lovely hats there, of course. And just a really unique illustration of her individual style. Just lovely. I believe this one here with the pink hat is her first trip to Australia. And I'm going to try and remember the year, but I'll probably get it wrong. Let's say sometime in the 80s. Is that a safe bet? Her iconic hairstyle there. Lovely. And here again, more flowers. Very, very nice. So this is our tribute set to Princess Diana. As I said, there are 2,000 sets that have been done, but only 500 in Europe. So if you're interested in taking a closer look at this set, hop onto our website, which is www.emk.com.